Hello and welcome to another 5-minute tech tip with Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training. And in this video on Photoshop, we're going to learn about the patch tool. So the patch tool lives over here with all of our other touch-up tools. The spot healing brush, the red eye tool. Check out some other videos we've done on that. But you can see here is the patch tool. And what the patch tool does, as the name implies, it's basically going to kind of patch something up. You can see we have a big old blemish here for me to work with. And I want to patch it up. But now how do I patch it up? Essentially, I'm going to borrow something from another part of the image that is good and apply it to the part that's sort of offensive to me, okay? And you're going to see that Photoshop is smart enough to make it so the lighting and the shadows and the contours and all that good stuff maintain on the original one. So let me go ahead and just zoom in a little bit. And I'm going to do just like this. I have a little more room to kind of play around with. And let me use the patch tool on this, and I'm going to borrow from here and see what it can do. So I'm just going to come to here, go to there, and then I'm going to not go all the way to the edges, because that can kind of backfire a little bit. Probably don't need to anyway. I go to there, and now I'm just going to click and drag over this. So I'm essentially borrowing from something that's good. I let go, and now I'm going to deselect. I'm just going to do Control D. And look at that. Amazing. It's perfect, right? And that's really all you need to know. So it really is like a nice, good alternative to the spot healing brush or anything like that when you have like a big swath of things you want to take care of. Okay, so while we're here, let me just show you, I keep talking about the spot healing brush, and you can see that it does work pretty well, you know, for a lot of things. So let me just go ahead and get rid of that, get rid of that. I can get rid of these, and sometimes you can even kind of click and drag. Okay, and all it's doing is sampling, right? That's what this is called. It's sampling from something that's good all around it to then relieve that offensive spot, right, of its offensiveness and just putting in some of the good stuff. But, I mean, look at that. That is just remarkable what it was looking like, and it just borrowed it from here and applied it, and you notice how the colors and the lighting and the shadows and everything like that maintain, and you'll be none the wiser if there was any types of blemish there. All right, so that is the patch tool. Try that out with your own images, and hopefully this helps. So find me on the YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe, like this video, like my other videos, check them all out, share the word, and find me on SF Tech Training, LinkedIn, and all that good stuff. All right, Dave Casuto, SF Tech Training. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.